Hello, good day. My name is Mark Antonio Kayang. I am 30 years of age and turning 31 years old this coming October 2021. My educational attainment is high school graduate. I graduate in Tulay Nalupa National High School on the year of 2011 to 2012. After I graduated in the year of 2012, I started to work already in the nearest mall in our municipality in LCC Labo. I worked there for about 2 years more for a janitor worker. After that, I plan to move outside our municipality. So I tried to move in the city of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Then I tried to apply for a machine operator and I hired as a machine operator in the company of Precision Incorporation. After that, I worked there for about 1 year and a half. Then after that, on the year of 2016, I tried to decide apply abroad. Lucky, I hired together with my friends in abroad in a country of Malaysia as a waiter. After I moved there, I got a lot of company that I work for, especially like I started to work in Johnny Steamboat restaurant in 7 months of dishwasher and a waiter. After my company and agency moved me in another company like Shilin Taiwan Street Snacks for about 3 years and more. After that, I tried to change again another company like a select steamboat restaurant for about 2 years. I worked there as a waiter and team leader and service crew. After that, the last job I worked in Malaysia on the year of 2023 is Go Noodle House for about 7 months. Then I decided to go back in Philippines on the year of 2023, March 18, 2023. Then after I arrived here in Philippines on March 18, 2023, 2 months later, I decided to work in company again as a machine operator in the company of Bandai Namco Philippines, which is I working as a machine operator of collectible toys. After that, after finish contract of 7 months working, I worked as a man inasal as a service crew for about 1 month. Then I try again another company like Lemon Square for about 1 month and service crew as a uh, service crew in the Lemon Square, attending of cakes, lettering, but I worked there for just 1 month only. Then I tried to resign and go back to my hometown to rest. The total of around 8 years I working in Malaysia as a waiter and dishwasher. Here in Philippines, I work in company like machine operator for about 2 years in total. In Laguna, 1 year and a half, and Bandai Namco around 7 months. So around 2 years, I have got total experience in a machine operator inside the company. So right now, I'm looking job for a company as a factory helper. I'm hoping you will hire for me because I am willing to work and interested to learn more skill and learn more different kind of country behavior, culture, and meet another people and be able to understand what the world is and become stable in myself to stand alone. That's all, and thank you. Have a good day.